Well, today had the spring-like temperatures and some spring-like showers, but we're going to see this rain try to transition over to snow tomorrow. So certainly a much cooler setup as we round out the end of the week. We have some showers just around Pittsburgh and south, so basically south of the Parkway, and it gets a little steadier as you get into northern Washington County here between Peters Township and Monongahela, south of Bethel Park. That's where we find one of the steadier showers. But again, these are small scale where the rain's coming down at a decent clip, but most of this is very light, and it's still light as you get into Westmoreland County. Then once you pass the ridges, that's where you start to run into some of the steadier showers, even a little bit of a mix trying to take place as you get out towards Bedford County. So if you know anyone traveling the turnpike, they might run into a little rain and snow out that way. Temperatures up north are in the upper 30s and low 40s. We get to 43 degrees here in Pittsburgh. South of the city, those temperatures more so in the mid 40s. Either way, our temperatures are coming down, and we're not really rebounding much from this tomorrow. So most of our temperatures tomorrow are actually going to be a little cooler than what we have outside at this moment. Now, some raindrops on the lens as we look from Gateway Center towards the Fort Duquesne Bridge. No rain in Pittsburgh right now that we're seeing here. We get mostly cloudy skies and 43 degrees, but just south of the city, so we're running into those showers. Now, the winds are coming out of the northwest at 9. That's important because our winds are going to be picking up here over the next 24 hours. And in addition to that, our temperatures are going to be dropping. So those northwesterly winds are certainly going to be pulling in some cooler temperatures. Look at this, highs tomorrow only in the lower 40s. So we dip down to the mid 30s and only make it back to the low 40s for high temperatures tomorrow. In addition to that, it's going to be windy, so it'll feel even colder than what the thermometer says. 7 a.m., 20 mile per hour gusts, but into the afternoon, we're going to see those wind gusts at 30, 35 miles per hour, and that's going to be drawing in that colder air. It's going to set us up for some rain and snow. Snow showers, especially as you get up into those higher elevations. That's where you have a better chance at some prolonged snow shower activity. Right now, that rain is pushing off the east coast with this first system, and then we're going to see that colder air really push in here. So the cold front comes in, snow showers as we get into early tomorrow morning. For most of us, this is going to transition over to rain in the afternoon. However, up into the ridges, especially those higher peaks in parts of Garrett and Tucker counties, could see a couple inches of snow trying to accumulate there. Cool weather continues into early Saturday. High pressure brings in that warmer air that's going to feed in a little more moisture, but make us a little warmer as we get into Sunday. Snowfall amounts generally an inch or so as you get into those higher elevations. Then south of the Mason-Dixon line, that's where you could see 2-3 inches accumulate. Tonight, mostly cloudy skies, temperatures dipping down to the mid 30s, starting to rebound to the low 40s for highs tomorrow. So 41 in Pittsburgh, generally around Allegheny County, about 40 degrees, a little bit warmer as you get down south of Pittsburgh. Temperatures here are going to generally be in the low to almost the mid 40s. Into areas to the east, this is where temperatures stop in the upper 30s and low 40s, and in the ridges, that's where you could see a little longer period of snow trying to accumulate. Up to the north, temperatures upper 30s and low 40s here as well. Now, as we go through the next several days, temperatures all over the place. Some sunshine, 44 on Saturday, upper 50s on Sunday, and then we bobble around a little bit, but we get some 60s into next week.